Now we proceed to solve the problem number 2 in isometric 1. The problem 2 goes like this. A cone of base diameter 30 mm and height 40 mm rests centrally over a cube of size 50 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of solids. Previous problem we saw a sphere on the cube. Now we have a cone on the cube. Cube dimensions are same, 50 mm, 50 mm cube. And the cone base diameter 30 and is 40 mm height. I just drawn here a front view, orthographic front view, 50 mm, 50 mm cube, and we have a cone here above that, centrally placed. This cone has got base diameter 30 mm, height 40 mm. How to draw this in isometric projection? The answer goes like this. Again, I'll give the demonstration on the isograph sheet itself. Isograph sheet. Let me draw the cube, 50 mm, 50 mm cube. This is 50 mm, 50 mm bottom box. 50 mm, 50 mm box is ready. Take the height from here 50 mm. Repeat the top 50 mm box. Top 50 mm box. I'm just repeating it slowly. All these are H pencil, please. And unless I use finally the HP pencil. Connect corner to corner. Connect corner to corner. The cube is ready. Now exactly the center, I should draw the cone. I should draw this cone. The cone base diameter is 30 mm. It is horizontally placed. That means I should draw horizontal ellipse. 30 mm box I should draw and get horizontal ellipse. Inside I want 30 mm box. Let me do center to center method. You draw in the middle 30 degree line. Again in the middle a 30 degree line. From the center you measure 15 mm, 15 mm. Again 15 mm, 15 mm. 1, 5, 1, 5. Then draw parallel through those points. You draw parallel through those points in this manner. In this manner, you get automatically 30, 30, 30 box ready. 30, 30, 30 box. Then, here you have to prepare the ellipse. Ellipse you should draw by 4-arc method, which I taught you already. So, draw here ellipse adopting using the method 4-arc method or 4-center method, which I had explained later. I explained earlier. So draw the ellipse. In case of a cone and the pyramid, you measure always center from the center of the base. From here you measure. The height says it is 40 mm. 5, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40 mm. From here to here, you measure ISO 40, and that is an apex point. From the apex point, you can draw here tangent to the base ellipse. Again, tangent to base ellipse. That's how you can complete the cone construction. So let me complete the answer by drawing with the HP pencil. So you draw here tangent to base ellipse from the apex point. Draw again tangent to base ellipse from the apex point. And here the ellipse is seen outside. Inside it is not visible. Ellipse is visible outside. Okay, you have a center. Happily you can draw here the axis. Then the cube, top of the cube partly hidden by the cone. Part of the cube partly hidden by the cone. That is visible. Up to this is visible. That is visible. Then edges 50 mm. All isometric measurements 50 mm, 50 mm. Again, it is visible this way. There's a cube. And we have this angle as usual. This angle you have to mention as usual. It is 30 degree angle. This is a 30 degree angle. This again is a 30 degree angle. This again a 30 degree angle. That's how you should complete the cone with a horizontal ellipse and draw it. This procedure you can adopt to complete the cone. One should be very comfortable in preparing the ellipse, horizontal ellipse and vertical ellipse. Please make a good practice, I told you already, and see that you draw and take the height. In case of pyramid and cone, I just give one small hint again, I'll write here itself. In case of in case of pyramid and cone, measure iso height from the center of the base. Don't measure from the box. Never measure from the box. Measure from the center of the base. I just gave a hint. In case of pyramid and cone, measure iso height from the center of the base to locate apex point. Apex point and the vertex point, locate. This is a very simple problem, and this has appeared in exam also very frequently. Cone resting on a cube. So I have drawn the cube, I have drawn the cone with the help of the iso sheet that is this I supplied to you. Simpler procedure. This is a simple procedure. I think everything is clear in drawing the answer.